Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you are getting this error Stalker 2 Cost of Hope game. It does not work or not launching or crashing on desktop like this error. You got it. I have a best proven solution. That solution will try to end this problem easily resolve and prevent it. So don't waste the time. Let's go to venture that steps. First step I mostly recommended for integrated with your game and your system. So you can go to the desktop, then right click on the game, then select the properties. Here you can go to click on the camera tab, then below you need to select run this program camera mode. Below you need to select run this program as administrator and select disable full screen optimization, then hit the apply and OK to save, then close it. After that you can go to relaunch the game, check whether it is working or not. If this problem persists, then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution, update the latest version of DirectX 12 software. So make sure you are update the DirectX 12. So how to download that software link I will expose. So you can go to that Microsoft Edge. Here you can go to type YouTube tag generator MR.LEARNING way. Just click on it. Here send list of our website. Just click on it. Here scroll down. You can go to last end of the page. You can click available download link button. Just click on it. Click to download that software. After download it, then you come to back for the Edge. Then you can go to run that software. So I will expose here after one set. Then you got it like this display. Then you can select the I accept the agreement and hit the next to move on the next page. Then again select the install the Bing bar and hit the next to update the DirectX 12 latest version. After that you come to back. Then you can go to throw the next solution. Next solution, optimize your graphics card to implement your RAM performance. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that graphics settings. Just click to open. Here scroll down. You can go to find your game. Until find the game. If you found, just click on this arrow and here GPU preference, let window decide. Just click on this instead of high performance. Once it select, then close it. After that you can go to verify your game file. So we need the Steam. Double tap to open. This tool try to replace your corrupted files or mistaken files and venture it. So wait, here it is processing for opening. Okay, now open it. Then you can go to click on the settings and select the properties. Then you can go to click on the install files tab and click on the verify integrated of the game files tool. This tool leverage to replace your background and malware files. After that you come to back, then close the Steam. Then finally you restart your system. Then you relaunch the game. After that your problem will be solved. And if you have any doubt or conflict, let me know. I will guide you and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.